the tent design to solution achieved, Liri is committed to providing all customers for tent sales and rentals with a much more safer, efficient, and innovative one-stop solution. Liri concentrates on every detail of aluminum modular tent. Liri was the leading company to introduce international advanced technologies and equipments. Innovation ensures the forward forces for the rapid development. Liri focuses on practicability and design aesthetics of tent, insists on driving production with innovative designs, effectively link the key parts of R&D, design, manufacturing, and training. At present, Liri's product line covers more than 50 tent series and over 300 tent products. Intelligent manufacture in China is continuously developing. Liri has always adhered to the concept of continuous innovation and breakthrough. Liri is the official partner of large domestic and foreign events. The application covers exhibition, brand showroom, events, stadium, fashion and catering, aerospace science and technology, industrial storage, military, medical relief, glamping hotel, and other fields. With the advanced production technology and concept of management by international standard, Liri pays more attention to safety and quality in the meanwhile. Focus, innovation, breakthrough. We are committed to providing our customers with ideal temporary space solutions. We have a group of humble, pragmatic, and innovative Liris behind the success. We value every opportunity to provide our services. Every demand and feeling counts.